Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add multiple wallets on your Tronlink wallet. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first you need to have your Tronlink wallet, and basically you can have it just by going to the Tronlink website, and basically you can have your own wallet. So let's just go back again like that. So from here you can install like the Chrome extension, or you can have your own mobile app or desktop app. And after that, and after setting up your wallet, you can just follow these steps. So here in the wallet, you will find another menu or another panel where you can navigate or browse all your wallets. And from there, you can start adding your wallets. So as you can see in this picture, there is multiple wallets. And from there, you can like add a wallet, or you can modify them and start using. And each one will have some things. So let's just do that here in practical way. We just go to Tronlink, and then here in the wallet we will find switch wallets, and all we need to do is to click, and of course you can choose the type of wallets or the tokens, and we can just click on add wallet. Either you can import another wallet that you have, and you will need just to paste or your key, and then you will have your wallet that will be added. So otherwise you can start like pairing hardware wallets also by adding some network that you would like, etc. And of course you can generate a sub account or another account that will have your wallet. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.